Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the Google account recovery flow while signed out. This is the quickest route. Enter the Gmail address you want to recover, and then choose Try Another Way if the usual prompts fail. Once done, the system will ask for the last password you remember. Provide it. If you don't recall one, say so honestly, and then proceed to the recovery options. Make sure your recovery phone or email is accessible before moving to the next step. Now continue by selecting the recovery phone option to request a code. Google will text or call a 6-digit code. Enter it promptly. If you don't get a text, switch to recovery email and check spam. Sometimes the code lands there. If prompted, supply additional ownership details like when you created the account or names of frequent contacts. These prove you're the owner. If multiple prompts appear, answer the ones you know best and be honest about gaps in memory. Finish by confirming the recovery phone number in your Google account under Security and Personal Info. Add the correct number and save changes. Then sign out of any unfamiliar sessions and set a strong new password, make it unique and store it in a password manager. If Google locks changes, use the account support forms and expect a 24 to 48-hour verification hold. This is a security delay. Troubleshooting tip: if codes never arrive, verify carrier SMS blocking or try a different phone number immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.